necessary. It's just a janitor, bro.
I hate janitors.
They destroyed his entire family.
Yes, they killed my family.
Is that rune lore? Is that canon?
Oh, the strangest canon that I've ever heard, and I'm down for it.
Guard over there.
Where's the thing up top?
I'm looking for it.
Dude, I'm running for my fucking life right now.
Whoa!
Where'd you go?
You threw me outside the map. It did 0 damage, but fucking threw me.
Damn, I fucking hit you, too.
I probably shouldn't use bait.
In a website. So like it would create like a grid, and then like you could click on a grid, it would like show like how different pathfinding algorithms figured it out. It was pretty cool, but it ran super slow because it was on browser, and browsers don't have much RAM, and pathfinding need a lot of RAM. Don't care too much. Yeah, so we knocked down 2 solo people, I guess. I mean, like, without the partners.
Here, I got a pot for you.
I got this guy. Where should I put him?
I'm kidding. It's your pot, though.
Oh, I hear a guy inside. What? Who's this?
You bothering you, Ranger?
What is even happening right now? Okay, so some random guy just came in and saved my life after being murdered by 2 captains. I'm having like whiplash right now.
Don't forget the old.
Ooh, grilled cheese. I haven't had
things.
grilled cheese in forever. What?
Those are materials. There's like gold rocks.
Are you daring to talk to me right now?
I've been talking to you.
Holy shit, I've had you muted this entire time. That is insane that you've actually been talking to me.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're clear. I think that's the entire place.
I have a hostage. What do I do with him?
I'll just put him
I'm on
down.
the ground.
He's on the ground permanently now.
Rune!
I mean, not if I pick him up.
That man has a family!
Hey, D and
I have a very serious question for you.
What's that?
How many pigeons do you think you could reasonably carry?
What type of pigeon?
Just pigeons.
African or European?
Just pigeons.
Can I carry?
Yeah.
Are they
reasonably.
struggling?
Just that's the question, man.
Well, so if I can sedate them. Right. So if I get sedate them, I could probably get a solid 25 maybe.
Wow.
Oh, that didn't kill you?
But if they're struggling, I don't know, 4.
Whose fucking gun is this? Why does this also do no damage?
I'm not bad like you guys are.
I don't know about that.
Rune?
I'm not bad like you guys are. We expand the council.
Into the
Oh, hell yeah.
Sovereign Han Valyrian Council.
The what?
Sovereign Hanfaliran Council.
The what?
I'm not saying it again. The
No, but seriously,
Oh, it's the immortal guy. Okay, we need someone to just keep shooting him in the head. So there's this thing where you shoot him every single time he starts calling. You just shoot him. You don't have to stand in front of him because he will kill you.
He'll drop you. You just like leave him alone, and then wait till he starts to call.
And then shoot him.
Pop out, shoot him.
And then hide.
Perpetual firefight as we continue to steal items. If we have anything big and scary, let me know.
We have something big and scary over here.
Okay.
I hear something big and scary.
Yeah, it's a Scrake.
I found something big and scary. I found something big
There's
and
a
scary.
Scrake on the point. There's a Scrake on the point. There's a Scrake on the point.
Currently working on the fleshbound. Fleshbound's dead.
I found this Scrake. I found this Scrake. I'm gonna die. Fucking damn it. I got grabbed by a shit mob while a Scrake was attacking me while it was
Watch out behind you.
Oh my
Why
God.
there's so many flashbounds? Oh my god.
Oh, I'm dead. Is that it?
What does the fox say? Fuck!
I don't think that's what foxes say.
I mean, I'm a fox and I say that, so.
Yep. What do you know? I'm more ready than I am, so fuck
I
it.
mean, that's not true. You can have a training montage.
Quick,
Yeah, when's Hunty's training
Drew,
montage?
quick, cut to the training montage I sent you.
Oh, right, sorry. Oh crap, I don't have it loaded up.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's my fault.
You know how much time I put into that shit?
I mean, it had to be a lie. It's an hour and 30 minutes long.
I know
so.
you can't.
Cold as a whaler's gaff. 50 years old.
Forget his
Whoops. Whoops, cooked it a little too long. Guess we'll go capture this guy while we're here. Oh my god, I don't care. No, not you.
Hey, Rune, you want to start a Feet Finder account with me?
What? No, dude, we're live.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Never. JK. Haha, funny joke.
Welcome in, everyone. My name is Glitchstream. Just call me Rune. Today we're playing the finals. What is the best snack?
Excuse me. The best snack?
Orion's the best snack.
I'm the best snack? Oh, thanks, man.
No way, you're the whole meal, baby.
Oh, shit.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner plus dessert. Let's go.
God damn.
I was gonna say, seaweed paper. That shit's delicious.
No! No shot!
What happened?
She's dead. Run. She's dead.
Who's dead?
Matcha. She has the mask on. Don't do
Oh, yeah,
it.
Matcha's dead.
Yeah, you're.
How's it going, buddy?
Oh!
Dude, I can Not
That's what
gonna
happens
be
if you
one.
fuck with me, Orion.
You're not even gonna take his body? Can I take? No, I can't take his body.
He's really just leaving it there. We're doomed.
What up, everyone? My name is Glitchroon. You just call me Rune. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome to another software development stream. We're gonna be working more. I can't speak today. We're gonna continue working on our economy space game. It might be a shorter stream today, but we'll have to see how I feel. But for now, yeah, we got this game that we have set up. Let me get some music on. Okay. So, I don't know what I want to do next on this. Currently, we have a ship that exists. I don't think it really takes into anything into account. So you could like click, and we could go to that station. Click, go to that station. I was kind of looking at some UI from other. So if you guys remember, I showed you guys this website a while ago. What does this do? Ooh, there we go. This is I believe this game would fall under the management genre. Is like the big genre for this one. So you see games like Anno, Skylines, Frostpunk. Now the ones we want to look at are the ones that would have economies. So like Anno could have an economy, City Skylines could have an economy. Frostpunk maybe might have an economy. Hey, what up, Center? It be going. We just out here surviving. Literally same, yeah. It'd be fucking cold here. That's one way I'm surviving. Writing an ethics essay, oof. Sorry to hear that. So this is Anno. Economy. We just got snow last night. We had snow, but it's already melted. We got snow this weekend. And for us, it's mostly already melted. So for all in all, we're fine on snow. It's just gone. You know what I was thinking about for a UI was that like it's like a ship HUD, right? So my thought would be like, how do I explain this? What this is the game UI database. So we're looking at different UIs for our game possibly. But I was thinking for the game we have like a interface. So like I don't know. Let me pull up Paint. We'll pull up Paint. No, these are just screenshots from various games. So it's like a database. It's a database of all these games, and they've taken screenshots from the games and like put different tags on them, so you can easily see examples from other games. So like as I said, we're looking at Anno's. These are all of Anno's UI. Here is City Skyline UI, so we could see what they were doing. This is Frostpunk's. It's just a nice resource to get like references or see how other games give you ideas. I want to see Stellaris. I think Stellaris is a good Galaxy Command. I guess so. Like this UI is cleanish, but it also looks kind of like cyberpunk-ish or like space-ish, I guess. The other one I might think of is Elite Dangerous is also probably a good one. This is an old school game, but this is all about space trade, so this is another like trading game. You see how it's kind of like a ship HUD? I mean, you're supposed to be like flying plane, like an air, like it's supposed to be flying a spaceship. So it's like a HUD that pops up. So my idea was that we have like the map, the overworld map. So it'd be something like, let's see if there's an overworld map in here. Kind of like this, I guess, where it's like the different like points in space that you can get to. And then you could like press a button, or like you have buttons down here that you click and like something will pop up. So it'd be like bam, here's your points, right? Or whatever. And then like there'd be like dots in between them. Sorry, my terrible UI drawing. And then like you press like there, you'd have a button down here. Let's see. Give me a shape. There'd be like a button down here, right? That'd be like, I don't know what it would say, but maybe it'd be like trade. You know, and you click it, right? And then you might have some HUD up here, like you might have like current location or something in the top left. You might have like station. I shouldn't try to write. I'll just station 1, right? You might have this in the top left with some fancy like UI. And then you might have like a big button in the corner. It's like that. It'd be like launch. Station 2. Right, so this is like what you'd see generally, and then there would be a bunch of buttons down here. I don't think they'd be this big. Can I drag erase? Is that a possibility? Ooh. Whatever, there'd be a bunch of buttons down here. They'd be all the same size, but you get the point. And it might be, trade. One might be like, ship. And one might be, what would be another one? Inventory. And like when you click one, then like a screen would pop up. Right, it would kind of slide up. So you have this screen that like slides up from like here. Right, so the thing would like slide up, and then it would display the HUD in kind of like in that like HUD style. So it'd be, where was the HUD style? I think it was it Elite Dangerous? No, Stellaris? No, it's definitely Elite Dangerous. Yeah, kind of like this, where it's like slightly see-through. So you can like see stuff behind it. You can see that star behind it. So it's like slightly see-through, and then it's like almost neon for all the different aspects. I know this is a very rudimentary thing, but like I think this would be a good, nice, simple way to do it, where it's not like taking up much of the space happening. And then maybe we'll have like the date here in the middle. It would be like December 21st, year, I don't know, 3092 or something. I don't know. So be in the center. And then again, you just have like a little. I think that's like a pretty good start. At least some style to it, not just these random buttons and whatnot. Sorry, I'm laughing at the oddly shaped buttons in the bottom left. So we can at least set this up, this HUD up. We won't have the style yet, but we can at least get the functionality of it working and its basic looks working. So we kind of started a little bit already with this little tab down here. But I wonder if we could get it to slide up. Yeah, we already have traveling ship. So if you like the buttons down here, make a bar down there, and then have it like slide up. We could try to get that working. What is travel supposed to do? That's like the... I feel like we could just do that. Like travel won't be a thing. It'll be inventory, galactic market, and ship. Would be the three things I have right now. So we could try to rework this a little bit. Do you guys love my my lovely paint drawing of my UI? It's so fantastic. I feel like I need to move some of these. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Bam, there you go. Perfect. It's beautiful. This is my interpretive drawing of a UI. So we could try to get this set up. So let's start with I feel like we gotta like redo this, so I might just kill all this and then redo it. We're gonna create empty, we're gonna do old. We're gonna shove this all in here. We're gonna hide this and disable this. And then create one new. Oh. I feel like I messed something up. All right. Max 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Throw all that in there. Now disable. There we go. New. Okay, so we're gonna do top bar, bottom bar, top bar, bottom bar, and then we're gonna do HUD screen. So we're gonna add 2 objects to this. I'm gonna do an image. This is gonna be current location. Yo, what up, Max Cage? How's it going? Welcome in. We are working on this trade game. Trying to get it working. Well, not working. We're redoing the UI today. I'm doing fantastic. A long day of work, but every day of work is long for me. But we're here. We're at it. You know, you do a lot of coding at work, so you just gotta come home and do more code. That's what I do, pretty much. You at work right now? Well, I hope your work is fantastic. What type of work do you do? I am a software dev, so like I do coding at work, and then I come home and decide to do coding for my streams. It's a lot of brain power. Sadly, not fantastic. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, I'm gonna do current location. We're gonna have date. Coding is awesome but complex. Yes, definitely. It is definitely a lot of fun when you figure out the solutions, but if you're stuck on problems, it sucks. Target location. And then last is gonna be dates. So date is gonna go in the center. We're gonna make this like a solid like 30, 30, 30. We'll make this like 150. We're gonna add a text to this. This is gonna be text. This is gonna be current location. Now, current location doesn't need to be that big. We can make it 24. Yeah, 24 is good. Target location. Current date. We'll put today's current date, so it's December 2nd, year 2024. All right. So we have the three things. We're gonna line this up. This is gonna be the far left, marked at 0. The entire bar is gonna be the entire width. So we're gonna go bam, left, right. 1. There we go. So it's at the top. What is 250 width? That's good. 60 height. Perfect. $200 width. We're going to anchor to the left. Whoops. Starting at 0, 0. We're going to add a margin of 10. 10. We're going to do the entire height and then 0, 0. So we want that in the middle. Background should be centered. Okay, why is that not? Oh, right. There we go. Now it's centered. And then we're going to move this entire bar, make the 60 height. There we go. So now we want to do the same thing for these. Oh, background's already set. We're going to make these 60. We're going to make these 60, 250. Okay, so target, this is going to be centered on the right side. Full height. Full height. It's going to be set at 1. Perfect. It's going to be set on the right side. 100, 0. We want this to be centered on the right side with a 10 margin. Sorry, a negative 10 margin. I think the date might need to be wider. All right. It's going to be 250. Whoops. 200. This is going to be 250. It's going to be centered, centered. All right. So that should be good if we like cut off these corners, which is what we'll do eventually. I could probably do it now because it's very simple to do that if we're doing that very basic UI. But I'm not going to worry about it right now. All right, so the UI that we're copying, or sorry, taking inspiration from, we're not copying, is both Stellaris's and Elite Dangerous. So they kind of have Okay. I wonder if we could do a similar button style to them. Let's see if we could do something similar. Okay, so we're gonna have empty. This is gonna be left buttons. And then we're gonna have a launch button. We'll just do launch, and then we'll have the button. I wonder if we'll have, like, required fuel also. Could be a thing. Maybe we do, like, distance, required fuel right next to it. Journey info. This is HUD buttons. So we want to add an image. This is going to be backgrounds. And then we're going to add 3 buttons for right now. This is going to be inventory button. Then we got galactic or market button. And then we got ship button. I guess we could also add a crew button. All right. Let us we'll do 30, 30, 30, 150. Full size. We will make this. If each button is going to be, we'll make it 200 by 60 by 50. Sure. 200, 150. We're going to set this 0, 0. Width is, if everything is, what do we say? 150. So that's 600. And then we're going to set this far left. This is going to be bottom full stretched. 0, 0. Perfect. There, it's at the bottom. That is 600. There we go. So if we do this one at negative 75, what is 2 or 150? 225. And then we do this one. Okay. We make these all 150, 50. We set this at negative 75. We set this one at 75. We set this at 225. We'll probably want some buffer in there, so let's make this may be 70, 620. There we go. And then we're going to set the launch. This is going to be on the far right. We'll probably make launch button a little bit bigger. Maybe more square. 150. Yeah, that's pretty good. 150 by 100. This is going to be in the bottom right. So 150. Okay, so there's the... Sorry, you can't really see it. The launch button's there. Trying to see how I can do this. Oh, what if I just flip the screen? So we do that. There you go. That's pretty good. Okay. Wait, what happened? Where's my... I feel like I somehow lost a window. What window am I missing? I'm missing the one for... So this is default. Inspector somehow got missing. So let's put inspector there. We'll put project and console over here. And I can see the game. I want to put hierarchy over here, and we'll put project over here. Okay, so launch button, this is 150 at least. Probably going to be, I don't know, 250? 350 maybe? 400? Yeah. We're going to make this 250. And this is going to be on the left side. So we're going to put launch button. It's going to be right side. 1. And then this is going to be left side. Bottom left. We're going to go 0, 0. And then we're going to add another image to this. We're gonna make this the entire thing 0, 0. We want this now. We only want this to be, this height is what, 100. Let's make this 60. We're gonna be like, there's two of them, right? We're gonna add two things to this. It's gonna be fuel cost and distance. And these are gonna be underneath. Oh no, these are already in here. So this is gonna have text. It's gonna be fuel cost. What do we make this? 16. $18 maybe. Sure. This is gonna be label, and then this is gonna be value. And we'll just copy this, paste this over here, drag this into here. 0. Zero space units. Zero G. I don't know. I don't know what would be. What would you measure the fuel in terms of units? Arbitrary units. AU. Arbitrary units. Space distance. Distance. Okay. So we're making these 250. 100 for the label. And then we'll make these 100, 100, 150, 150. This is going to be on the left side. Pivot 0. We'll do 10, so 140. And then the value is going to be on the right. Pivot 1. -10. We're going to mark this on this side. So we'll center both of these. Okay, so this is going to be top set to 1. No, that's not right. Top set to, no, that's right. Top set to 1. Height 60. 30. And then this is going to be bottom 30 set to 0. There we go. Does that look right? I think that looks right. So this is our arbitrary UI right now. This doesn't look right, does it? This doesn't look right. There we go. That looks better. I think that's a slightly cleaner UI. And then what we want to do is set up the entire like thing that's going to slide in and out. So that is the HUD. So we're going to add a background UI image backgrounds. And we're going to make this slightly darker, more transparent, maybe lighter. How big is the HUD going to be? Let's change the background so we can see it quickly. I feel like we want to make it like slightly blue. Um, okay, we're going with this. This is gonna be it's gonna be slightly blue, but like not really. Slightly blue, slightly green. And then we want to make this slightly bigger. So the width is gonna be 800 is too much. What about 750? Slide it down. 700, slide it down. 650, slide it down. Okay. I don't know. I kind of want to make it. We'll leave it like this for now. So it's like it's gonna come up, and then we're gonna be like HUD, whatever one we selected. And I think this is behind these. I think if we, yeah, okay, so that's behind. That's above. So this is technically behind these. Title. Screen title. This is going to be just centered at the top. Okay. Let us... I wonder how we do the slide in. That is something I'm gonna have to look up. Ugh. So far, right, this is the new one. This was the old one. So it's much cleaner, I think. We'll have to see how... I want to see it function a little bit better. Okay, let's get some functionality onto it. Whoa. I want to flip these. So we're going to flip that, and we're going to flip that. Perfect. What's happening with that screen thing? What's happening here? I feel like this didn't get updated. If I pull this out, I max it. Okay. Yes. Ah, yes. The worst thing. Okay, we gotta make this, like, scalable. HUD. Okay, you're gonna be full width, full height. Bottom 0. Oh, this is the wrong thing. This is the... Oh, wait, no. What? This isn't the wrong thing. Hmm. For now, it's fine. We gotta make it scalable differently. Eventually. Okay. Screen title. So, when we click one of these buttons, we want that to change. We actually want it to show up, then change. Okay. So we're going to add something onto the HUD screen. So we need our scripts interface. We want to make a new one called HUD screen. HUD screen. We're gonna put this on this HUD screen. So then we have it should be an interface manager. We're gonna have public HUD screen, HUD screen. So then when we go public void, crap. Then we gotta create. I mean, those should probably be connected to the HUD screen. Yeah, they should probably be connected to the HUD screen. HUD contents. Ugh, no, I'm gonna have this separate. This is gonna be player UI. We'll just keep it new. But it's gonna be player UI, so we're gonna make a new one called player UI. Player UI. Map. It's gonna be map player UI. We're gonna put that on there. That is gonna hold everything. So if we look at this, this is probably where we want the thing we just added. This, we're gonna put public map player UI map player UI. So the HUD screen is this is where all the buttons are connected to. So we'll do public inventory inventory. No, we don't need access to that. We just need a thing that says public void inventory clicked. And then we need ship clicked. And we need, what else do we need? We need crew clicked. And then we also need market clicked. So in this one, we'll have a public current string current screen. And then when it goes public start void start current screen it's gonna be empty, and then I guess current screen will be what's for market? We'll just do market as the default. Market. And then when we start, we want to go dot set active equals false. So when you do this, you're gonna set public void set screen, and we're gonna accept a string target screen if current screen equals target screen, then all we're gonna do is turn it off. All we're going to do is turn it off and return. Else, we're going to go current screen equals target screen. We're going to go set this dot true. And then we're going to call update screen. And this is going to be a public update screen, which will have like a, it'll have a switch for current screen. We got case, we got inventory, break. We got case, we got crew, ship, case, crew, and then case, market. Then we just got game objects. We're gonna do inventory screen, public game object, ship screen, public game object, crew screen, public game object, and then we got market screen. So we're going to do this dot game object dot set active as true. Or this 4 times. This is going to be ship screen. This is going to be crew screen. And then last is going to be market screen. And these are obviously going to be false. Okay, so that should work correctly. So now we just got to call set screen from the UI. So we're just going to go HUD screen dot set screen inventory. Ship. Crew. Market. All right, so that should be good. So now the thing with this is that the HUD now needs different, this is inventory screen. Then we have ship screen, crew screen, market screen. We are going to just put these in each. All right. So we want to create, so we're going to create a new folder here. This is kind of getting out of control. We're going to do HUD screen. We're going to put the HUD screen in there. We're going to add each screen here. So this is going to be I kind of want to make, we're not going to do that. We'll clean it up later. So we'll do inventory screen. God, these are going to all be annoying to make. That's inventory. Now we have ship, HUD, screen. Crew, HUD, screen. And then we have market HUD screen. Market HUD screen. Okay. And Tori's going that. Then ship is going on to that one. Crew is going on to that one. Market's going on to that one. So what we can do is on the okay, on this we're gonna have inventory HUD screen, ship HUD screen, crew HUD screen, market HUD screen. Okay, so that's all good. Each one of these is going to have a title using TMP Pro. Public TMP text, title text. This is one of the things, like, I think I kind of want to make like a parent that uses them all. So I'm going to rename the HUD to map player HUD. Okay, that should be good. And then we're going to make a new mono behavior in here called What am I thinking? This. We're gonna call this HUD screen. And I'm doing this so that they all can inherit it. Because they're all going to have a title. So no reason for each of them to have to declare it. Public class, we want this to be... God, what did I do the other one? Where is... Abstract. Make this an abstract. Okay. So then, if I remember correctly, it's going to be public abstract update HUD. Override. Okay. This dot title dot text equals inventory. So then when we call the player map HUD update screen, we also want to go like inventory screen dot update HUD. Actually, I feel like we just want to always update them. Because they'll always... There's no reason not to just update them every time something happens. Because then we don't have to do like weird logic and be like, oh yeah, this one is updated. We could also just be like, we update them all, we just disable them all. And then the one we want to enable is just like that. The only issue with this might be that it like might flicker the screen, but we'll have to see. Generally, that probably won't be the case because it's happening so fast you won't even notice. But we can find out. Okay, so I think this is all hooked up, that we just need to actually hook it up on the front end. Zoom fast? What do you mean zoom fast? What the hell? No, I'm just kidding. Imagine if I was like just super offended. HUD screen, we need ship inventory, we need ship inventory, sorry, inventory, ship, crew, market. I'm sorry, you shouldn't have said that. What the hell? Zoom fast? Like, go zoom fast yourself, Snyder. The fuck? I'm tired of this shit. All right. Connect the title, connect the title, connect the title. Title. Okay, we got HUD buttons. So when we click this button, we want to grab the HUD screen and call we don't want to grab the HUD screen. We want to call this new inventory clicked. This, we want to do the same thing, but there's one for ship clicked. Ship clicked. Same thing. Okay. I think everything is connected now. So if we set these correctly, these need to be all disabled. This needs to be disabled. Now if we click play, we click inventory. Why is it disabled itself? Oh, okay. I see. I see the issue. Okay, so if it is the same, we set it, and then we want to say current screen equals null. Okay, so if we do this again, so ideally what should happen is we click inventory, it shows up, perfect. We click it again, it hides. We click it again, it shows up. Then ship, crew, market. Perfect. Now I wonder how to get it to slide in. So if we do HUD and we set to public void hide screen, and then we do public void show screen. So instead of doing just disable, we'll do game object dot set active is false. I feel like I do a lot of these animations in my other game, so let me pull that up quickly. Project, Cubic Chronicles. This is gonna be in assets, scripts, game objects. No, it's gonna be in managers. Is it an IEnumerator? Okay, I think this is IEnumerator is what we want. And then we start a coroutine. So if we do an IEnumerator, start a coroutine on this HUD screen, we could go public static IEnumerator, run hide screen. Return yields. Whoops. Pretty sure there's yield return. Yield return. Wait for seconds to new. Run show screen. So then we do a coroutine. Okay, so then if we do start coroutine, run hide screen, and then pass in the game objects. And then we do the same thing, but for run show. So then we can do I know we do coroutines. So we're gonna do I bet we could just do like the set height and then oh no. We probably want to move it down. We'll test some stuff out. So we'll do public vector 3 target show destination. New vector 3. So this is the target show, so it's going to be whatever is actually Can I copy How do I do this? This is the issue. It's because I have it stretched. Hmm. While game object dot transform dot height dot position does not equal target position vector 3 run screen animation. New vector 3 0 0 0 I honestly don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna mess around to find out. Does not equal target position. We're gonna be like our current position equals that. Game object dot transform dot position equals new vector 3. What if we just do show as like 0 and this is like negative 200, 500. We'll see what that looks like. I think it's Y. We'll have to see. Var Y new Y equals if current position dot Y current position doesn't what? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Dang it. Okay, if current position is greater than target position. Okay, we're gonna do current position dot Y. If it's greater than, we want to subtract 10. If it's less than, we want to add 10. And then this is that 0. And then we're going to wait for 2 seconds. Whoops. Wait for 1 second. So this should be a slow animation, but I want to see if it even works. So console dot, or I think it's debug dot write log and HUD animation Okay, let's see if this works. We click play. Coroutine could not be started because the game HUD is inactive. Ah. So we set that one to true first. Let's just always set it to true, just to make sure. And then we'll do a bool hide on complete equals false. If hide on complete, then I'm going to set this to false. Wait, where'd the current position? Current position equals game object dot transform. There we go. We were going to have an infinite loop if I did that. Let's try this out. All right. I mean, it's doing something. I think it's doing what we want it to do. Beautiful. Okay. It's going way too slow. Let's try this. Let's do 100. And let's do 50. We will do current position dot x, current position dot z. Hmm. Game object. Actually, we only care about y, so I'm going to ignore all that. I'm going to be like, if dot y does not equal dot y. All right, and then we do this. I mean, it's doing it. Okay, so hide screen, we want to put a true there. Every 1 second we'll update it, so it should slide down faster. Let us set the game object dot transform dot position equals new vector 3 what was it, negative 600 dot z. I feel like it still go faster and more updates, I think. Oh. If it's already open, we want to just kind of flick over. Oh, God, I keep closing that. If game object dot is active self. If it is not already active, then we do show screen. Oh, look at that. Still kind of jittery. We could kind of fix that. Oh, we're getting closer. Hmm. What if we double, triple? Let's triple the speed. Oh, look at that. That's pretty clean. All right. Click inventory, shows inventory. Crew down. Crew down. Ship up, ship down. Market, crew down. Market. Look at that. We got a HUD. It is slower on a bigger screen. I gotta fix that eventually. Plus it just disappears halfway through. So we gotta work on scalability eventually. Wow, that's pretty cool. How would you do scalability? I'm trying to think. I might have to do research on that. Let's get this screen working though. So currently it does that. We did have information before that actually showed on those different screens. So let's try to update them so they actually do something. So, if we just delete these, what would happen? Player map UI. All right. So, let us connect up our locations. So I believe we just did that through... I assume it's map tabs. Let's make a new one called top bar. This is going to be scripting, mono behavior, map top bar. We're just going to connect this up to the top bar. So we're going to thread this on here. We want 3 connections to it. Current location, date, and target location. Probably won't do anything with the date right now. Public TMP text. This is going to be current location text. Target location text, and then date text. So when we do, let me close some of this stuff. So we set the current station It's gonna update the map tabs. So let's go to this. We're gonna have public map top bar. Map top bar. We're gonna just public update current location. Just whatever that means. I guess right now we're just gonna pass in a space station. So all we're gonna do is current location dot text equals space station dot name. Why is date set text saying it's doing something? It shouldn't be doing anything. Okay. So instead of this, we should be like map top bar dot update current location station. And then when we set target, same thing, but update target location. All right. That should be that. All these songs are such a botch. Such a bop. Holy crap, I can't speak. All of these songs are a bop. It sounds like it should be in Mario Kart. Sort of. I don't know if I would see it in Mario Kart, more like... I don't know. I think the vocals are like why I wouldn't think it'd be Mario Kart. But the actual beat, I could see it, yeah. Date, target text. Okay, so if we update the location, it should update these. It didn't update it. I know why. Because I'm a dummy. That's why. We need to do map, top bar, connected there. Oh, I'm also a dummy. I shouldn't do it that way. It's kind of the point of having this, is that we do a public map top bar. We just get rid of it there. Okay, let's try this again. Space station, target. Bam. Okay, cool. Let's set these texts to empty. Hey, Center, you see my little user, my screen I added? It pops up. It's pretty nifty. Bam, launch doesn't do anything. Okay. Next, we got to connect up launch. So launch is big. If we have something selected, we want to launch. So if we look at old map tab, buttons, travel, button, this was connected up to map tabs, travel clicked. So we want this connected up to player UI, public void launch clicked. Okay, what did their map tab do? What? Travel clicked. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Content travel, go. That's what I want. Galactic map manager. It just goes right to the galactic map manager. Yeah, whatever. That's fine. We'll just roll with that too. Galactic map manager. Bam. We're going to rename that to launch instead of go. Launch. It's an issue. You got to rename or you're going to... Oh, you are going to... Ugh. Launch. All right. Launch doesn't do anything. Launch, we move over there. Launch. Update target. Space station dot name. Target location. Map top bar. What? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Map top bar. Oh. If space station equals null, then we're going to set okay, what's a better way to do this? Show me. It's going to do a ternary probably. Yep. Cool. Perfect. All right. So we can travel around. Now we want to be able to buy and sell stuff, I guess. I guess. If you're into that. So we want the market tab. So let us show the market tab. We want market tab. I guess I don't know why I need to update these titles. I could just literally have whatever I want. Inventory. Ship. Crew. How'd that make that worse? Okay, there we go. I was like, how did I make that worse? That's crazy. Negative 15. Perfect. Um, all right, let's add these buttons. Can I just copy the buttons from here? We're just gonna copy these, bring this over here. It's gonna be in here. So this is gonna be negative 120. All right. That's pretty much all we need. We need to just make these functional. So let's go take a look at what these were doing. These buttons were calling out to... Oh, so they should just work. They were connected to the Galactic Map Manager. Well, let's see if this just works. Who knows? It might... I feel like they won't, though. Oh, no, they were calling out to the inventory. So they're calling out to... Nope, not data. Galactic Market, this. Oh, what are they? What? What if I just delete this, delete the travel button? The one thing left is the ship button. So let's get this connected. So in that terms, we got rid of... Got rid of target station. Got rid of current station. Got rid of the travel tab. We're going to add one for the player map UI. Let's move the map top bar in there. I think we still want the market item and the inventory item. I'm going to put these in there. Map tabs. We don't really want the map tabs. This obviously is going to go in there. So we want to refurbish these three. We got to fix them up and get rid of them. At least that's the plan. You can fix them. I mean, it's more like we're probably gonna make a new version and delete the old ones. A new, better, improved version. We're gonna do two of them. We're gonna do market. We'll probably rename this to a market item. We're gonna create a new one called market trade inventory. And then we're gonna do market player inventory. So these are two that we're going to have. This is going to connect to the left. One's going to connect to the right. Market item connects to that? That's crazy. Okay. So that's market item. Okay, so it just connects to the market manager and buys. Let's see. I assume inventory is probably the same then, except for it has currency. Okay. Okay, that's good. Let's get rid of these other two. Oh, we already got rid of it. Whoops. All right. We don't need this anymore. This is the inventory. Galactic Market. All right, what is happening here? Let's delete this script. We're going to add the player market trade. Or not. Because script class cannot be found. Ah. Why? It's right there. I found it. It's probably because it can't build. Get rid of this garbage. Is that good? Is that all you? Oh, no, it's not all good. Interface manager dot. What is it going to be? It's going to be player HUD screen market screen to update inventory. Where's the market screen? Public void update inventory. Well, where's that called from? That was called from here somewhere. No, not in here. What? Where was that from? Player. All right. Market, player inventory. We need these three. Public market, player inventory. Player inventory. Public market, trade inventory. Trade inventory. Then the player, we're going to be like market screen dot player inventory update. Interface manager dot da 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 da. How many more? One more. Okay, that should be good. We good? You can build? Cool. So we're looking at the galactic market. So we want to put interface this, the trade, or not. Galactic market. Add the trade to it. Perfect. And these are now market items. Perfect. Okay, that should be good. Next, we're just gonna connect this up, which is gonna be the player. And then we need currency and items. So we need this. We need inventory 1, 2, 3, currency text. Save. We need to connect this up to HUD screen, market screen. It's going to be market and player inventory. Trade inventory. Player inventory. Okay. So that should populate, and it should function, as far as I know. Yeah, okay. So let's see if that works. We gotta disable it. Market disabled. HUD screen disabled. Okay. So we click market. We can see that the current market has... So if we buy none, that actually sucks. So let's go here. We can't preview currently, so that's an issue. Iron is free here. Why is iron free? That should never happen. But check out this dope profit. Oh my god. Infinite money. Well, it works, at least. That's all we care about. All right. Next thing is I want to populate the crew tab and the ship tab, which we had all in one tab last time. So we should just be able to copy the contents from this. So these two should go into the ship screen. And this should go into the crew screen. And then we should just be able to delete the old one. All right, let's see what the ship screen currently looks like. Okay, it doesn't look great. All right, so we're going to set this one to left side 0, 0, maybe 20, 25, 50. We're going to set this one to the right side. Negative 50. 0. We're actually going to just set these. I want this. How do I do this? I want it to be half. How do I set it to half? That's how we do it. Okay. There we go. That's halfway through. Okay, that should be good enough. Cool. And I think that should be connected up. Probably not, actually. Yeah, we probably need to connect it up to the ship screen. Okay, so let us throw this half. Come on, give me half. Okay, so we should need... ship HUD screen. We're not going to update the title. We don't need to. Okay, so let us get the ship. We need public TMP text. We have ship name text. We have crew size text. We have cargo size text. We have ship engine. Ship engine name. Ship engine fuel distance. Ship engine speed text. Okay. That should be the things we need. So we could connect those up to there should be an error somewhere because it's trying to update. Oh, I guess not. Gotta figure out where I store that data. Oh, I think I store it in the game data. So if I do like game data dot save dot ship dot yeah, here we go. Var ship equals resources dot load. It's something like that. I think it's this one. So we are looking for a ship scriptable object. And it's under resources, scriptable objects, ship. So resources. Scriptable object slash ship. I think it's ship parts engine. Ship parts engine. Engine name. Okay. Whoa, what is this? Market. We don't want it in the market. We want it in the ship. Ship name dot text dot text equals ship dot name. Cargo size. It's going to be engine. Engine scriptable object. The ship part name. gonna be fuel distance dot to string. And then this is gonna be speed dot to string. Okay, so that should be good. We need to hook it up now. Okay, those are hooked up. Now let's get the crew hooked up. That does not look good. We only have one crew member, so we're just going to leave it like crew, bam. So on crew screen, we have a single TMP text crew member 1 text. And it's going to be game object crew 0 dot crew name. Crew member dot text equals that. Okay, let's see if this all works. We gotta disable this and disable this. Okay, let's check market. I already have an error. Object ship HUD screen. What isn't set? Crew HUD screen isn't set. Let's see if that was it. Fingers crossed. Line 18. Is it scriptable objects? Did I get it slightly off? Was it scriptable objects? It was. Okay. Was that the issue? It was the issue. Okay. There's the market. Close that. Crew. We have Todd. Ship. We got basic engine and we have the Star Skipper. And nothing on the inventory. Perfect. Ugh. Well, as I said, I think I'm going to call it quits for today. I'm going to leave today short a little bit. We got an updated UI, so I actually think that's great progress. It looks... I actually am liking the look of it. I just need to, you know, get the style down a little bit. But it's looking better than it was before, definitely. So I'm gonna have to try to work on some pixel art sometime this week or this weekend, so I can start getting it in and making it look slightly better, slightly cooler. Yeah, we'll have to see how it goes. I'm gonna be streaming on Wednesday. I'm not sure what I'm streaming. I think I said I'm gonna do game dev, so we'll probably work on this some more. Or will we start working on pixel art or something? Or maybe I'll get bored and play League, or I don't know. I don't know what we're doing on Wednesday. I'm trying to do I'm gonna be doing a little bit less streams for the time being, just so I can have some time to do some other content like YouTube videos and TikToks. Also, I just been tired for my new team that it just takes a lot out of me, so less stream days is probably better for me. So for now, we're gonna be doing that. I do want to try to get YouTube videos out, so that's what I want to try to dedicate more time to. It happens. I might start trying to do a little bit more collabs on Fridays, but I want to start making more contacts in the VTuber space. So I might be trying to do some of that stuff. I've been joining a couple Discords and talking, so we'll see how that goes. So Fridays might be more of a might become more of a collab thing. But I want to do more game dev, so it's gonna be probably Mondays and Wednesdays are gonna be more game dev, and then Fridays are gonna be more collabs. So we might not stream every Friday. We'll have to see, because eventually I want to get back to doing some RPGs, but I don't know. I feel like I need to like focus on one thing. I feel like my viewership has been kind of slim recently, and I know that's not no one's fault. I'm kind of getting back into it and messing around with a lot of stuff. But if I focus on one thing a little bit, like game dev, hopefully I can build that up a little bit more. So that's my current plan. But I'll still be playing games outside of it. I'll still be probably making videos over it. You'll get there? Yeah, no, one day. We gotta figure it out though. I gotta figure out what my channel's all about, which is what I've been trying to figure out the last like 6 months, but I don't know, it's hard because I want to do everything. But if I get into more game dev, I feel like I can do great. And plus, I get to make more cool games like this, so we'll have to see. But I also want to try to do a little bit more, as I said, a little bit more videos. I think videos would be a great way for me to get my name out there more. At least better than Twitch, because goddamn. You know? Twitch isn't fantastic about that. Plus, I'd like to get my my editing game going a little bit. I've been enjoying editing. Or I was enjoying editing. So hopefully. More thirst trap. I should finish that up and post that. That'll be funny. I want to do more silly, stupid videos just like that, where it's random thirst trap BS. I want to do game reviews too, but I want to start trying to do funnier, stupid gameplays. See if I can. I don't know what to work my editing magic to see if I can do it. Learn a lot new stuff. But yeah, generally we go longer. Generally we do 3 to 4 hours for a stream. Today I'm kind of cutting it short, as I said. We'll be back Wednesday. Probably doing more game dev. We'll have to see. Yeah, check out my socials. I'm always active on there. I'm going to try to be more active on Blue Sky. I'm kind of active on Twitter. I don't really do much on Twitter anymore. I kind of just keep it up to date. I'm definitely more active on Blue Sky. And hopefully more stuff on my YouTube soon. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like what you saw, please leave a follow. I would appreciate it. Let us send it over to... Let's go send it over to Farah. She's doing her halathon. She's awesome. I think we rated into her quite a bit. But she's a good friend. So we'll send it over to her, support her during her donathon or halathon. She plays a lot of single player games and does a lot of collabs with her VTuber group. Yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. We'll send it over there. Bam, bam, bam. All right. Well, I will catch you guys on Wednesday. See ya. Hope you guys have a fantastic night. See you later.